Once the heavenly portal is opened, if we cultivate Tao sincerely for some period of time, then both our internal and external body parts including our pores will be luminous. This is true for Tao members who have cultivated sincerely and truthfully. However, the light or halo emitted from the body cannot be seen with the naked eye.
佛经也提及，无有正法掩藏，灭妙心，不立文字，教外别传点试问。佛所言之正法是藏在左眼或右眼呢，或是第三指真理眼？求过道的人就很清楚答案了。
In the Buddhist Sutra, Sakyamuni Buddha also said, "There is the true Dharma in my eye, there is no form, there is no word for it."
点。
So where is the true Dharma hidden? Is it hidden inside the left eye or right eye? Or is this Dharma hidden inside the third eye? The eye of the truth? The answer is very clear for any Tao receiver.
儒家所说的君子慎其独也，指的也是我们的自性除以佛性，是独一无二的，来自上天，要善加戒慎保护，莫让受到污染。慎独的功夫，简单的说，就是存好心，说好话，